Hey, this is a quick tutorial on dividing decimals. This would be target 2.4b. All right, first thing you need to do is set up your division problem. So I first want you to think about the problem 12 divided by 3. If you had 12 divided by 3, you would put 12 inside the bracket and you divide by 3 outside here, and your quotient or your answer would be up here for 4. Dividing decimals, it's the same way. So this number here, so I'm going to go over here and 67.84, and that's going to be inside the division bracket. We're going to divide by 0.4 or 0.4, but really it's just 0.4. We don't want to work with any decimals out here in the divisor. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the decimal one spot to the right. Really what we're doing here is multiplying that 0.4 times 10. We need to do the same thing inside the bracket, move the decimal one spot. So I have the kids rewrite the problem, and I think that's most effective. So now you have this problem that you're really taking 4, and you're going to put that into 678.4. All right, so we've just multiplied both sides by 10, and I haven't put the decimal straight away right up top. Okay, so taking a look at this, and I have the kids ask the question, does 4 go into 6? Yes, it goes in there one time, so I can put 4 in, and I subtract it out. 6 minus 4, we've got a 2 remainder. 4 doesn't go into 2. However, we can bring that 7 down. 2 will go into 27. Sorry, 4 will go into 27 6 times. So 6 times 4 is 24. Let's subtract that out. We have a remainder of 3. 4 doesn't go into 3, but I can bring that 8 down. 4 will go into 38. 4 will go into 38. It'll go in there 8 times. 9 times. Sorry about that. 8 would be 32. 9 would be 36. And subtract that out. We have a remainder of 2. And then we can bring down the 4. And we'll see that 4 goes into 24. Goes in there 6 times. So we've got 24, and subtract that out. We've zeroed it out. So our answer right up here is 169.6. 169.6. I apologize for my little overwrite here. Okay, let's take a look at another problem here quickly. 33.74 divided by 2.0. So let me set this up. 33.74 divided by 2.0. Now 2.0 is really the same as 2. So actually, I do not have a decimal in that divisor position. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to rewrite. I don't have to multiply this side by 20. I don't care if I have decimals in here. That's okay. I had decimals in the dividend over here too. So again, I'm just going to put the decimal up, and I'm ready to roll. Does 2 go into 3? Yes, it goes in there one time. I can subtract out. 3 minus 2 is 1. I can bring that down. 2 does not go into 1, but 2 will go into 13. It'll go in there 6 times. So 6 times 2 is 12. I can subtract that out. I've got a remainder of 1. 2 doesn't go into 1, of course, but I can bring down the 7. And 2 doesn't go into 7 8 times. So 8 times 2 is 16. And you notice how my decimal is already up there? It's in place. I'm already at 16.8. But I can subtract this out. I've got a remainder of 1. 2 doesn't go into 1, but I can bring down that 4. And 2 goes into 4 7 times. 7 times, 2 goes into 14 7 times. So 7 times 2 is 14. I can subtract that out, and I've got 0. So my answer is 16.87. All right. Thank you for listening. Hopefully that's just a quick little brush up to help your kids work on this if you kind of forgot how to do that. Thanks. Bye.